oina khalam gani mayamna do I am still the youth. Anyways, a very good afternoon to our chief guest, Sri James P.K. Sangma, Honorable National Working President, NPP, aduga akhoi ngasigi stage ta dais ta lengjan biriba President gi phamong lamamda phambiriba akhoi Sri Yunam Joy Kumar Singh, State President, NPP Manipur, amusung former Deputy CM of Manipur, aduga ngasigi guest of honor da lengjan biriba Moirang AC gi Honorable MLA Sri Tongam Santi Singh, aduga ngasigi guest of honor da lengjan biriba Sri Mayang Lambam Rameswar Singh, Honorable MLA Kakching AC, amasung ngasigi guest of honor da lengjan biriba Sri Nikki Nongklo, National President NPYF, amasung guest of honor gi phamamda lengjan biriba aigi colleague Sri RK Rameswar Singh, Pasoi AC, amasung Sri Jayananda from Kurai AC, amasung ngasigi special invitees the lengjan biribi Srimati NU Coming, National People's Women Front gi National President NPYF, amasung mamang the lengjan biriba party gi senior leaders sing, amasung ngasigi yamna important weba event sigi siliba organizer maruena akhoi NPYF Manipur, amasung mamang the lengjan biriba ikai khumnarabada matik charaba ahal laman sing imai ben sing aduga maruena kendra digi lakpiriba akhoi youth amusung lakpiriba akhoi chen sing punamaku ahamadatta aina ikai khumnaba cheri ai yamna tentakna ngasigi NPYF na siliba youth conclave ki matangda ai matim da thamjage kainodi makhata ba guest myamama akhoi chief guest ti gaidi myamama ngang adu speaker myam su leibanira ai matam je tentakna lojage ahamada aina NPYF sekari gi join tawgimno ai gi journey haibatare kari aina politics ta changai no haibse sigi matangda tentakna ai thamjage ai isama akhoi Manipurda matamama akhoi law and order gi situation je yamna phattabadagi akhoi je mapanda lek tamba chapse I am also one of them adu ai gi schooling loirapam no haraga akhoi gi leiba notice site from the lady akhoi je tongan basida discrimination yam phangbai tare even during my college days I was the member of the NSUI, Hoigi Congress ki student wing ama NSUI da imati am yawarame. Yawu matam sida aigi wakhandadi aigi Bharat ki oiba capital da Delhi da aina Delhi da youth ki oiba as a youth amo in a student wing da yawu matam da aigi voice khara aina kari gumba khara aigi damakta natraga akhoi mayam gi damakta notice ki oiba Manipur gi oiba wafam khara thamba ngamgadra thabak khara tawba ngamgadra haibi wakhalon da yaw gimne bu adubu moi gi ideology do yeng gandadi akhoi gi notice ki interest da ideology da moi gi any ideology da any national parties in gi ideology ji yeng ganda akhoi gi notice ki interest maru ena akhoi Manipur gi interest ama bhaw yaram de yamna interesting oibadi akhoi India da 1.2 billion ki population lay akhoi Manipur dana 30 lakhs ki approximately 30 lakhs ki population lay adubu akhoi Manipur na India da contribution biri se any sports to ju India ki Bharat ki mapham khudimakta akhoi je powerhouse saina haiba even Olympic ki syamna chawgraba akhoi ki prithvi da leiba country में आम देखी 1.2 billion की ओइबा population जे कोई मणिपुर अकोई इंडिया जे ओइ दिनेबो ओइ ना कोई ओलंपिक ता इंडिया की माई जे कोई की लेबा तिरंगा है बतारे इंडिया की फ्लैग से चिंखटपंग ngamdabida akhoi sports se puthokpa ngamdra kanda akhoi manipur na du gi face saver oi akhoi manipur na puthoga medal lora kanda india gi face saver oi akhoi manipur na adu khakta natte even akhoi culture de ngo manipuri dance se one of the 8 dance ne akhoi india da recognize story se culture da big kharba 30 lakhs population ki contribution haiba tare maruena akhoi gi maitai gi oiba population je around 14 to 15 lakhs population lay dim dev adubu akhoi gi contribution je sum yeng se akhoi na puthoi ba contribution je maitai dance ta khakta natte even science and technology da khakta natte education do research oiba kan da su akhoi gi contribution ge adom ki matik yam eba adubu just because we look different from them kai no akhoi gi sakse akhoi gi keno je kitang da akhoi khena bai da mak ta moina akhoi je indian noina treat tau de matam da akhoi je something second class citizen gi type ta nakan da thaido thambi na ai gi NSUI gi political journey it wasn't a smooth journey because they are not ready to hear our voice. They are not ready at all. Adudike ai wakhan khale politics is not my cup of tea ha ai talk hibne matam da adubo ai gi laihidraba ai gi father Shri Haisnam Kulachandra Singh Majid retired MCS or matungda hanga da election thengna ki ai je election thengna da kitang ai gi father gi or so ai mateng khra pang ke na ai manipur da tholak khim de tholak khara matungda ai father ju maiti gre 2017 the election je maiti ro matungda ai na sum yeng kan si da political je kitang ahoi gi leiriba maruina ai gi thanga kendra loktak ki issue leiriba matam du da hai tare matam du state ki issue je ai yam kan usan boy de ai na u da just thanga gi leiba round hoi gi corner da leiba forest ki issue khang de loktak ki issue khang de sida ai gi contribution khara ai thamba ngam gadra na hai
Suraj ka thabak tong mi du se ai gyan ta
ai na changbu matam da NPP da ai na join act taw matam da ai je pham am ho paidre I still remember it was in 2018 and Sir James you will be surprised actually our founder the NPYF national president Srimati Ratika Yunam she took an interview just to appoint me as a state youth president ai khale matam kari no ni akoi khut si da smaina CV je pairaga office ta akoi mari manga je phamme oi kari gi no har ganda state ki youth president nama khanbai damakta ai khale politics ta bu political party da smaina interview longna bra ai khale I was surprised at all I was surprised weva I was really surprised interview low weva ai gi CV yenge qualification yenge ai gi activities yenge adu de ai je surprise oi na somehow ai adamaina youth president oi na appoint tawro matungda ai sum party ga NPP gi family da sum join tawro ga sum work tawro kan da ai realize tawrebo kai na kan da she wanted to appoint a youth president on basis of merit not on the basis of my political background or influence mana khaning da bagi mana merit amusung ai je potential leibra have a photo do check to ne have was ai ko na realize to because I come ai labor background say I'm not from political background I'm not from the big political background I come from the very normal bureaucrat family aduna normal lawyer family labor say hujik ai fellow ai my dear friends ahoi labor youth sing dai na haining budi NPP hawra matam da dine ai political background leite ai politics ta impact am propanga moina khanbi gano please khanbi gano because ai haige example say today I am the example ai example say our state president aduga ahoi former state president ai mentor Sri N Kaisi ngasi ahoi mam thado chakre adubu matam da I was just 32 years old when our senior leaders appointed me as a General Secretary Administration for the parent of the NPP Manipur appointed. I was just 32 years old. Then, why did they appoint me as a NPP Manipur administration? Later on, I realized
अखोई NPP है पार्टी से इट्स अ वेरी यंग पार्टी यंग इन द सेंस अखोई लेरिबा पार्टी द यूथ सिंग से एम्पावरमेंट अमा पी भाई तारे जस्ट नॉट द वर्ड्स वरी द वाद खतंगांग नतब वाद मफम मफम चला यूथ एम्पावरमेंट ने भाषण मैम फजब पीरगा खुद याव द भाई तारे बट NPP is for action. Let me tell you, because aina example je ai youth president ama kashum nataba political background laitaba misak amabu ngasi smaina ai mayamang da ngamang ngami se it's all because of the National People's Party have say ai simaga ai jage bai mayam ta aduna hujujiksu leptabida akhoi gi youth ki program ama young leadership program ama under the guidance of Sri Yunam Joy Kumar Singh, our state president, akoida sigi young kenoje hoigi leiba professional ama hoigi politics ta because politics ta we should not only think that is the opportunity akoi isagi ne khaloidam ne politics ta yaur having sacrifice ama sangeba adugi commitment yaudragadi I sana sudum I experience le jare karigumba commitment ama dedication ama yaudragadi akoi kaito ngai du su hoi adugi poto mathak ka ba ngam moy aduna yaragadi I
invitee and you coming, National President, National People's Women Wing. Ladies and gentlemen, and you coming.
Good afternoon, everyone. President, Sri Kunnam Joy Kumar Singh, State President, NPP Manipur. Honorable Chief Guest, Sri James P.K. Sangma, Working President, National Working President, NPP. Sri Thongam Shanti Singh, MLA, Moirang AC. Sri Mayang Lemba Rameshwar Singh, MLA, Kakching AC. I would like to apologize because I don't want to take so much time. And the rest guests on the dais, and my dear brothers and sisters. Akui metelong haiba pajana haiba khangde adui damak ai English da haibige na ko yung nang. I thank the President, NPYF, for inviting me to be part of this program. It is an honor to be part of this vibrant gathering of our nation's future. The National People's Party, a story of vision, struggle, and service to the people. I, as a National President, Women National Front, I feel connected to this vision. Our party has the belief that empowerment is not completed. It is incomplete. The party has the vision. Let us all rise together. Work for the future, shape the future. We should shape our future. And our dreams should not be too small. We should never let the citizens left behind. Lastly, I would like to tell to my women community, women, that in Manipur, women are the forefront. be it in marketplace, women, yembige, northeast ki, aduga development su purapige, adu hai, adu damak, akoy loy namak unity laraga, Pajana NPP party akoy stand firm. Ngasi akoy 5-6 MLA lay, next election da 10-20 lakini. Akoy party da principal party ki principal thamaraga akoy loy namak unity tauraga akoy party da Pajana lero hairaga nakoy loy namak munda request ay thank you.
Thank you, Madam, for your wonderful speech that we are sure it will boundless all the youths of the state, not only for the state, but for the masses as a whole. Thank you so much for the wonderful speech. Ladies and gentlemen, we have a slight change in our program details. Ngasi phegi chief guest ki phom langling sin biriba Sri James PK Sangma flight catch so da balai bana mara mara ga khoi gi thoram sida sendok sin khara leijare masi gi damak tam yam na waru biroi. Ladies and gentlemen, please join me in giving a warm round of applause as we welcome our esteemed chief guest Sri James PK Sangma. All right. Sir Mayang Lambam Rameshwar Singh will speak first.
Because of short of time, as our honorable chief guest has to proceed to the airport, I'll take just a few minutes. First of all, Punamukpu Kurumjari, Nasigi, Akoigi and PYF Nasinduna, Sigi, Yam Namarueva, Akoigi and PYF Ki, National Conclave, Youth Conclave Sida, Maya Tangman the Lingshin Bidiba, Akoigi, Honorable Chief Guest, Sri James K. Sangma, Honorable President of the State, Sri Yumnam Joy Kumar, Pabung Joy Kumar, Tamo Santi, Aduga Organization ki General Secretary Agimaru Rameshwar, Administration General Secretary Akoi Russell, Akoi Madam National Women ki President, Adagi Akoi ki Ayinao, Akoi ki Jayananda, Punamapo ina, Kongno Laga Kurumjari. Ayutuga Youth ki National President Agimaruk Neki Noku Kurumjari. First of all, I would like to say that the vision of our late Sri P.S. Sangma, who has always believed in inclusive politics, whereby the focus of our activities should be on the ground, to the rural people, to the tribal people, to the indigenous people. Today, his vision of inclusion, foundational literacy, equity, holistic development, and working for the common man, it has been his vision, and based on his vision, the National People's Party has been trying to work. Rajniti da akoi punamangna. Every political party has its own very beautiful, nice, good constitution. But my belief as an individual is that in politics, whatever knowledge we may have, if we want to be a leader, whatever knowledge we have, we should be able to convert it into actual action on the ground. Thaba going to Tawangam Dragadi Akoi knowledge Kalagas, Wakangas Ukana Dev, Nasi Aiki constituency da Aina, Hana Toram Tabakari, Tabak Tawangame, Lambi Camps, Sheme, Adagi, Hospital, District Hospital, Ukapurabra, Market Semabra, Women Market Semabra. What about drinking water supply? What about healthcare facilities? Asina Chingba Singzi, Akoi Tabak in a Taudragadi, Akoina Razniti, leader, MLA, and a Panganga Kandi Aduna. Our main thing is to convert our concept into realities. And let me tell you, one last thing, I want to make my speech very short. As a part of the India government, whatever, ngasi Manipur ko, concept mayamama ako'y marakta, social media da ako'y masen marakta, pangang nangang but hanak thoki balan si karigilano. Separate administration piu haibane, adu ngasi wok separate administration piu su sathaganu haibane, su sathagidre. Border fencing tau haibane, border fencing tauri, adu lan si ako'y na ngamde mamangi sarkar si success hoide haibse si aranba narrative ni phajana yengbiu isa na yumda lerakanda khanthabiu rajniti ki wanate aina India sida as a MLA of NPP amoina yawi haibigi wanate ngasi kuki na talakhiba illegal immigration na talakpa adugumba maitai ki indigenous ki community against oiba port ama khaktang ngasi bau pigidri separate administration pigraba mayam haibi pigraba pigidri ko su extension tawgide border fencing khari akoina pamba port punamak ngasi akoina phangaga lairi akoina hona minaga tabdi kenoda BJP na lead torba sarkar se da BJP da ina haning badi please take good care of us maramdi akoi su sarkar se da laibak se ki phanaba tawda akoi MLA sing na hanaki landa thawai khubata hapaga tawgiba role se masigi reward we should get NPP mamang dasu koi sarkar semada dum Bharatiya Janata Party bu support tawi housing su tauri aduna akoi ne as a part of NDA government si centered by NDA government si tawka na tauri ba sacrifice mayam si matung na di akoi NPP dasu yam drabda minister ani ahum di pibam thoi hai wapam si ne thamning si aduna maramdi rajniti da rajniti kya tawra su MLA oidraba minister oidraba kana de party tu kaisu chaukloi MLA akoi hojik taret lebse akoi taruk lebse taret lermani yam nungai te tamo kaisi legidre MLA oiriba taruk akoi na ani ahum sema kanda tram ngale kanda ko NPP kan doimni aduga akoi marakta gi minister kanda akoi na atai to pa NPP worker me am do sema kanda policy making da in participating in the role of the state akoi Manipuri praja na tawgado ba pamba mayam to akoi tawung ngamgado bani adu position du phangro kana roi adu naina BJP na lead torba sarkar da BJP da hajaning si hanak sarkar semak pada yam da koi da minister ani da gi ta dana ahum piradi hai ke sukai da ha wo pham kar se harga punam ko kurum jari thank you.
Thank you, sir. Honorable MLA Kakching SC Sri Mayanglambam Rameshwar Singh Marik Sumbo Wapam Singh Thambirami Thoromakha Chathajarakpo ina mathang asiri ngasi guest of honor ki phapam langdaling sin biriba Honorable MLA Moirang SC Sri Thongam Santi Singh Leksen Biratuna Wapam Kradang Thambiram Naba Talucheri. Ladies and gentlemen, MLA Moirang SC Sri Thongam Santi Singh.
Good afternoon, everybody. Nasi youth conflict NPY the Shuma the Dengbi Pulumpo Ayahano Mutaga Kurabjari. Nasi Sigum Lava youth conflict Sigi Sibreski from Lang the Langsin Biriba. A Koikunamani Kai Kubnariba City James P.K. Sangma Honorable National Working President NPP. Ayahano the Kai Kunulo in Old Putcheri. Loinana, President Pong Lang the Lex Biriba, Sri Yunam Joy Kumar Singh, State President, former Deputy CM, detailed DGP Manipur Busu, Ayahano the Kai Kunulo in Old Putcheri. Loinana, Nasiki guest of Only Pong Lang the Lex Biriba, Ayunau Sri Mayam Rameshwar Singh, Honorable MLA Katsing A. Shibusu, Ayakiri Kai Kunulo. Loidana, yes, owner from Lang the Lengsin Biriba, Niki, Longkyo National President NPY Pusu, Kaikunbo City, Loidana, Nasigi, Akogi, NPP, General Secretary Administration, or Langbi, Saigongo, Rasena Istanbul, Mikiri Kaikunbo City, Loidana, guest of honor. Homeland Election Biriba NPP Organizing Secretary Kena Metro China Busu, Megadi Kaikun Usari, Loinana, Nasi Sumlava, bring it. National Youth President Aduga El Zayan and the Busu, Megadi Kaikun Usari, Loina, especially in Baitizo and the Dembi, they were a new coming National People Women's Front, National President NPY Pusu, Megadi Kaikun Usari. Mamang na Mama Habi Gre. I now remain Sona, party over the Yuki President, in a Pesova. I did above the Cesaro. I didn't see like you can live again. You ching that. International hard. I put in the labor program. I powdum never gave the toes of good don't see. I may have a tatters of the Rita Jam going to lose again. How's it lady which done lately so hyper? Suba no makanba scientific temper leva. Sahi nova missing wave, wherever the leva amagi, missing yamba have say, Anova Sati money. Pitivido Nasi Barat the Quaitigi, missing yamero. Baraki were the Apuna missing a crore, Sam and the Funera. Masigi Manunda saw the 65 day, say Kuntam Nagi Makadale. Aduga Manipurida 2011 ye census ki batungina saada hundadi sei kuthamari makadale yimbiu ko baraki leiba population says karor sabaga dipuri karor dipuri aduda aikoi percentage the whole batada sei kuthaw agi makada 65 ni akoi Manipurida 2011 census ki batungina 75% sei kuthamari makadale Bharat ki national youth policy 2014 ki batungina youth ama hai se sahi tong adaina kumapan phawai banung dalaiba age group ki mio sing adu khangne maru maduna India ki hairaga su Manipur ki hairaga su akoi population se young population ni Japan China ba din nungchup lebak chika yengabuda makhoi population ase sahi ahal gorda machinga ni maru maduna India ki nahaw iba bising ase yeng luraga pithibida anoba sakti ama oirakani ena panari bane sigi population me amsi yeng luraga aikoi India se nomadi pithibi si laksil lakwe ayege as aduma angka bo khon dei bo tamne ba karamba leba pu bapang kan ba leba amani haina lawgadage haina panna ko da leba adugi youth force asi yabna maru oi Masing ya bakakta pagada banate kaya amna potential lebege kaya amna resourceful lebege amadi national building process ta kaya sound self ya bege habse ye mutai ngasi pithvi lebak singi banung marakta barna kadai ranking da lebege habdo ye ngse akoi ajiti akoi politics ta dala akoi shakti ta lang pulira pithvi sida akoi gakti hali ye buya deba Pithibhi odi yang pun dah sakti tu ki ranking ama kak kami se, aku yang yang sebaiknya PJ ranking se, abdang dah puja apa ranking cak abdang kan jaga, aduh maru na military power ki dia USA Russia abadi sinagi matang dah Bharat namari so position dah leh ba. Number 2 dah na sen thungi lab dah economy dah hai dah la USA China Japan namu su Germany ki mathang na Bharat na manga su position da lei ba aduga ahum su da scientific pool da US na amasu Russia ki mathang ta Bharat na mari su position da lei ba aduga mari su da na mo nuclear power su USA Russia England France amasu China ki mathang da Bharat na taruk su da lei ba ba in so su ba sa pa dum rawa da pithibhi da Bharat na trama su space power Pwedang mo nga sili thagi South Pole da landing tawag ngamba lebak sigi manung da USA Russia China batang da Bharat na mari subda lay ba deba aduga inso lisinga diga niputare ta Bharat se tungi lamna develop economy oiragani haibi Nasi youth kan isi da lengbi leba ꯌꯨꯠꯁꯤꯡꯗ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯈꯪꯍꯟꯖꯅꯤꯡꯉꯤꯁꯦ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯄꯨꯝꯅꯃꯛ ꯑꯣꯏꯊꯣꯛꯄꯒꯤ ꯃꯔꯝꯗꯤ ꯚꯥꯔꯠꯀꯤ ꯃꯤꯁꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯆꯥꯗ 65%ꯗꯤ ꯆꯍꯤ 35ꯒꯤ ꯃꯈꯥꯗ ꯂꯩꯕꯅꯅꯤ ꯃꯔꯝ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯄꯥꯡꯊꯣꯛꯂꯤꯕ NPPꯒꯤ ꯌꯨꯠ ꯀꯟꯀ꯭ꯂꯤꯞ ꯑꯁꯦ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯃꯔꯝ ꯆꯥꯏ ꯃꯇꯝꯁꯨ ꯆꯥꯏ ꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯖꯅꯤꯡꯉꯤꯁꯦ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯉꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯄꯥꯡꯊꯣꯛꯏꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ NPP ꯌꯨꯠ ꯐ꯭ꯔꯟꯠꯅ ꯁꯤꯜꯂꯤꯕꯁꯦ ꯈ꯭ꯋꯥꯏꯗꯒꯤ ꯃꯔꯝ ꯆꯥꯕ ꯈ꯭ꯋꯥꯏꯗꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯝ ꯆꯥꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯌꯨꯠ ꯀꯟꯀ꯭ꯂꯤꯞꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯑꯩ ꯍꯥꯟꯅ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯊꯝꯖꯒꯦ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯂꯕ ꯀꯟꯀ꯭ꯂꯦꯞ ꯑꯁꯤꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯏꯔꯝꯗꯝ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤ ꯅꯍꯥꯔꯣꯜꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯈꯜ ꯃꯥꯏꯟꯁꯦꯠ ꯑꯁꯦ ꯀꯗꯥꯏꯗ ꯂꯩꯕꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯦ ꯅꯩꯅꯐꯝ ꯊꯣꯛꯄ ꯑꯆꯧꯕ ꯏꯁꯨ ꯑꯃꯅꯦꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯗ ꯅꯍꯥꯔꯣꯜꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯅꯦꯁꯅꯦꯜ ꯑꯦꯁꯦꯠ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯤꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒ ꯂꯥꯏꯕꯤꯂꯤꯇꯤ ꯑꯃꯔ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯣ ꯅꯩꯅꯗꯕ ꯌꯥꯗꯦ ꯃꯔꯝꯗꯤ ꯅꯦꯁꯅꯦꯜ ꯌꯨꯠ ꯄꯣꯂꯤꯁꯤ 2014ꯗ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯦꯖ ꯒ꯭ꯔꯨꯞ 15 to 29 ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯤꯁꯨ ꯃꯅꯨꯡꯗ ꯀ꯭ꯂꯥꯁ 10ꯗꯒꯤ ꯍꯧꯔꯒ ꯃꯥꯁꯇꯔ ꯐꯥꯎꯕ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯐꯦꯁꯅꯦꯜ ꯀꯣꯔꯁ ꯑꯃ ꯃꯄꯨꯡ ꯐꯥꯅ ꯇꯝꯒꯗꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯅꯤ ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯄꯤꯔꯤꯌꯠ ꯑꯁꯦ ꯃꯤ ꯑꯃꯒꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯥꯏꯝ ꯇꯥꯏꯝꯅꯦꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯇꯝ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯨꯡꯗ ꯈꯜꯂꯤꯕ ꯋꯥꯈꯜ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯨꯡ ꯏꯟꯅ ꯌꯨꯠ ꯑꯃꯅ ꯅꯦꯁꯅꯦꯜ ꯑꯦꯁꯦꯠ ꯑꯣꯏꯒꯗ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒ ꯂꯥꯏꯕꯤꯂꯤꯇꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯒꯗ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯨ ꯂꯦꯞꯄꯤ ꯃꯇꯥꯡ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯎꯕꯗ ꯅꯠꯇꯅ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯀꯤꯖꯕ ꯅꯩꯅꯅꯤꯡꯕ ꯏꯁꯨ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯩꯌꯦꯕ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯉꯁꯥꯏ ꯄꯟꯖꯈ꯭ꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯅꯩꯅꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗꯅꯦ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯌꯨꯠꯁꯤꯡꯗ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯊꯝꯖꯔꯛꯀꯗꯧꯔꯤꯕꯁꯦ ꯃꯁꯤꯅꯦ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯅꯩꯅꯖꯕ ꯄꯣꯏꯟꯁꯦ ꯃꯗꯨꯗꯤ ꯅꯩꯅꯔꯤꯕ ꯏꯁꯨ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯩ ꯃꯗꯨꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯌꯨꯠꯁꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯃꯔꯛꯇ ꯋꯥꯈꯜꯒꯤ ꯁꯣꯏꯅꯥꯏꯔꯕ ꯂꯩꯅꯥ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯩꯔꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤꯅꯤ ꯑꯩ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯌꯨꯠꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯋꯥꯈꯜꯒꯤ ꯁꯣꯏꯅꯥꯏꯔꯕ ꯂꯩꯅꯥ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯩꯔꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯉꯣꯟꯗ ꯆꯤꯡꯅꯕ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯩꯖꯩꯑꯕ ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯑꯃ ꯄꯥꯡꯊꯣꯛꯅꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯨꯕꯗ ꯍꯩꯅꯤꯡꯗꯕ ꯇꯧꯅꯤꯡꯗꯕ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕꯗ ꯑꯩ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯉꯝꯂꯣꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯗ꯭ꯔꯤꯉꯩꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯔꯦꯟꯗꯔ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒ ꯏꯁꯀ꯭ꯋꯤꯁ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯑꯦꯇꯤꯆꯨꯠ ꯑꯃ ꯎꯏꯌꯦꯕ ꯃꯁꯦ ꯑꯆꯧꯕ ꯆꯦꯂꯦꯟꯖ ꯑꯃꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯩ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯉꯝꯂꯣꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯑꯦꯇꯤꯆꯨꯠ ꯑꯁꯦ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤ ꯅꯍꯥꯔꯣꯜꯒꯤ ꯃꯔꯛꯇ ꯁ꯭ꯄꯣꯔꯠꯁꯇꯗꯤ ꯂꯩꯇꯦ ꯃꯔꯝ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯅ ꯁ꯭ꯄꯣꯔꯠꯁꯀꯤ ꯂꯝꯗ ꯚꯥꯔꯠꯀꯤ ꯃꯃꯤꯡ ꯊꯥꯔꯤꯕꯅꯦꯕ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯩ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯉꯝꯂꯣꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯌꯨꯠꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯂꯥꯏꯅ ꯀꯩꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯑꯃ ꯁꯤꯟꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯉꯁꯤꯃꯛ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯌꯨꯠ ꯐ꯭ꯔꯟꯠꯀꯤ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯁꯤꯜꯂꯤꯕꯁꯤꯗ ꯁꯤꯟꯅꯔꯤꯕ ꯄꯣꯠꯇꯣ ꯂꯩꯊꯣꯛꯑꯒ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯌꯥꯎꯋꯦꯕ ꯃꯗꯨ ꯑꯩ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯉꯝꯃꯣꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤꯗ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯏꯁꯀ꯭ꯋꯤꯖ ꯑꯃ ꯊꯤꯕ ꯁꯔꯦꯟꯗꯔ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯝꯕ ꯈꯨꯗꯣꯡꯆꯥꯕ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯧꯋꯦꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯊꯕꯛꯁꯤꯗꯗꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯔꯒꯁꯨ ꯁ꯭ꯄꯣꯔꯠꯁꯇꯗꯤ ꯇꯧꯗ꯭ꯔꯤꯑꯕ ꯇꯧꯗꯕꯅ ꯃꯔꯝ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯒ ꯁ꯭ꯄꯣꯔꯠꯁꯇꯤ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯋꯥꯔꯜꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯥꯡ ꯊꯥꯔꯤꯕ ꯁꯤ ꯅꯩꯅꯕꯤꯌꯨ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯄꯤꯖꯔꯤꯕ ꯄꯣꯏꯟꯁꯦ ꯌꯨꯠꯁꯤꯡꯗ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯤꯊꯤꯕꯤꯗ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯉꯝꯂꯤꯕꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯁꯦ ꯑꯩ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯉꯝꯒꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯈꯟꯕ ꯃꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯔꯛꯇꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯈꯤꯕ ꯉꯥꯛꯇꯅꯦꯕ ꯑꯩ IAS ꯑꯣꯏꯒꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯉꯝꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ IAS ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯛꯏ ꯑꯩ ꯗꯣꯛꯇꯔ ꯑꯣꯏꯒꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯗꯣꯛꯇꯔ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯛꯏ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯉꯝꯂꯣꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯁꯔꯦꯟꯗꯔ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯇꯧꯔꯤꯕꯁꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯃꯔꯛꯇꯒꯤ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯉꯝꯕ ꯑꯃꯠꯇ ꯌꯥꯎꯈꯤꯗꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯅꯍꯥꯔꯣꯜ ꯇꯦꯂꯦꯟ ꯁ꯭ꯀꯤꯜ ꯄꯣꯇꯦꯟꯁꯤꯌꯦꯜ ꯂꯩꯇꯕ ꯅꯠꯇꯦ ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯅꯦꯒꯦꯇꯤꯚ ꯃꯥꯏꯟꯁꯦꯠ ꯑꯁꯤꯃꯈꯛꯇꯪ ꯂꯧꯊꯣꯛꯄꯗ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤ ꯅꯍꯥꯔꯣꯜꯁꯤꯡꯕꯨ ꯅꯝꯊꯕ ꯉꯝꯒꯗꯕ ꯁꯛꯇꯤ ꯑꯃꯠꯇ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯤꯊꯤꯕꯤꯒꯤ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯂꯩꯇꯦ ꯈꯨꯗꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯄꯤꯖꯒꯦ ꯃꯁꯥ ꯃꯎ ꯐꯕ ꯀꯌా ꯑꯃꯅ ꯀꯤꯔꯤꯉꯥꯏ ꯆꯦꯜꯂꯤꯕ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯦꯟꯗꯒꯤ ꯏꯟꯊꯕꯤꯕꯗꯒꯤ ꯃꯈꯣꯡ ꯅꯥꯝꯃ ꯁꯣꯏꯔꯕ ꯎꯄꯥꯏ ꯂꯩꯇꯗꯨꯅ ꯏꯝꯄꯨꯇꯦꯠ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯔꯕꯤ ꯑꯔꯨꯅꯤꯃꯥ ꯁꯤꯟꯍꯥꯅ ꯏꯪ ꯁꯣꯛ 2019ꯗ ꯃꯥꯎꯟ ꯑꯦꯚꯔꯦꯁ ꯀꯥꯗꯨꯅ ꯁꯣꯏꯅꯥꯏꯔꯕ ꯃꯤ ꯑꯃꯅ ꯑꯦꯚꯔꯦꯁ ꯀꯥꯕ ꯉꯝꯕꯒꯤ ꯑꯍꯥꯟꯕ ꯃꯤꯁꯛ ꯑꯣꯏꯈꯤꯕ ꯌꯦꯡꯕꯤꯌꯨꯅꯦ ꯃꯈꯣꯡ ꯅꯥꯝꯃ ꯌꯥꯎꯗ꯭ꯔꯕ ꯈꯨꯠꯁꯦꯝꯒꯤ ꯃꯈꯣꯡ ꯍꯥꯝꯃꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯅꯨꯄꯤ ꯑꯃꯅ ꯃꯥꯎꯟ ꯑꯦꯚꯔꯦꯁ ꯀꯥꯕꯗꯤ ꯉꯝꯕꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯇꯩꯗꯤ ꯀꯩ ꯉꯝꯃꯣꯏꯗꯣꯏꯅꯣ ꯁꯤ ꯅꯩꯅꯕꯤꯌꯣꯕ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯖꯅꯤꯡꯉꯤꯁꯦ ꯑꯁꯤꯗꯁꯨ ꯅꯠꯇꯅ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯤꯊꯤꯕꯤꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯡꯂꯕ ꯆꯤꯡꯗꯣꯜ ꯀꯌꯥ ꯀꯥꯈꯤ ꯏꯪꯈ꯭ꯔꯕ ꯑꯟꯇꯥꯔꯛꯇꯤꯀꯥꯗ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯑꯋꯥꯡꯕ ꯆꯤꯡ ꯐꯥꯎꯕ ꯀꯥꯈꯤ ꯃꯁꯤꯅꯤ ꯃꯥꯏꯟꯁꯦꯠꯅ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯉꯝꯕꯒꯤ ꯁꯛꯇꯤ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯋꯤꯜ ꯄꯥꯋꯔ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤ ꯅꯍꯥꯔꯣꯜꯁꯤꯡꯗ ꯂꯩꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤꯅꯤ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯉꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯀꯟꯀ꯭ꯂꯤꯞ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯍꯪꯅꯤꯡꯂꯤꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯩꯗꯤ ꯅꯍꯥꯔꯣꯜꯁꯤꯡꯗ ꯍꯪꯖꯕ ꯉꯥꯛꯇꯅꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯗꯤ ꯃꯇꯝ ꯍꯦꯜꯂꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯅꯍꯥꯔꯣꯜꯁꯤꯡꯗ ꯂꯥꯛꯏꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯌꯨꯠꯁꯤꯡꯗ hanga ina yi question je nai na biu si ne ina haisari se adi suba pramana mataga panjaram khige noma swami vivekananda da mahaki sisamana hanga yi swami sabadura ja saguma lapada nonglei dusina lakhatuna loida lukhraga amakhatam torba no isibo kari maram ginoana kari tawguna no ana swami ne kumleba jahaz aduda tongli torban yarupai maram di jahaz abakhak beuri hai mai sata duda swami da gri jahaz group ma amam lai abakhak ma torba no re nonglei dusi bar da atai di loi yo pangamde yori do maram kari lo sidi ado swami na kubai de akoi vivekananda na maram di phanak kanban nonglei dusi toisanu ai di torba di yong da yadi haiba adu do jahaz khon da yadi haiba captain do magi torba yong da yadi haiba nonglei dusi kange kallu kallu do eni tawga budu da ai di torba yong da yadi da hi jahaz kholi ba captain do magi mindset tu ne ne man torba yong ke madu ne ai si jochi da pamjani ge be asigum la puningi akal me pide basel leiwa matam da aikoi gi dahalon sina national building process ta saul ya ba ngam do ni aikoi gi mamang thangba generation dadi ngamlaga aikoi ngasi gi dahalon di kari gi ngam loi asigi su matak ta aikoi gi pai fu gi thongla ling ye chu ningsing ba da gar weba apik pa chiklei ba maning tamna hingjaba manipur sau khraba mahaki lamda numit ta de tabal de haina mapang kan khra British ka ingso lisingama tani pal bau da thoi da thene ki ba khok dom landa mari bak majati gi ning ta mangang na ba thawai da pa tha oi ki ba akoi gi athau bai pai pu si du gi ba cha ma su ni akoi se ngasi su akoi na pithibhi asida kana bu ki lu ga ni singna ba khodi ba lan thok laga akoi national building process da soi da lung chau chau yau ga da ba theater da aikoi maitei aikoi ge manipur maitei khudi bon so thab le ge ai badu ge example kar bi jage theater da aikoi da tan thiam ningoi da panjara bada adai folk da binita laishram sports da medicom adai di sarita is da manipur ya hanba RK Falguni IPS da aikoi ge Hindu Shekhar Adi Shuba direct IPS da ngasi ba akoi bangla phabi ba president Shri Yumlam Joy Kumar officer kaya army da lieutenant general aikoi ge Himalaya Nisikanta Badipura Nahawi naval officer Padip Ukhab Indian Antarctical expedition kiba university ki BC professor kaya scientist kaya hai singlaba boroktet kaya barat lengak ta pham saw na pai ba siguba se khadadan praman na pajage masda ina hangjaning ni badi youth kan clip asida saruk ya na aikoi ki nahalungi marakta yi national building process ta kari contribution pige hai na hanbage sida ina thabjaning use waga tangdi hangjage ya tena losin jarake ai point khal du ta de thabjal che ngasi gi manipuri naharu sigi marakta daka le se emotional energy ni aikoi khoi sang na duna mat manghan ga da banatte challenge da taga challenge laklaga sai da to go su datte mobile phone da edit chu go su datte British da kadi pijaraga nisha da luphan laga sina loksin gi bango mobile phone da AI da nisha suhal laga naharon si energy punamak divert tawduna zatiya bagi thongla pangal loksin punamak pangthalaga joy tawna kat mo lawong ma changsil lakri ba sidagi section matangai phade matamada loinam sasan pololism na mi na mi bu kudum chan bagi sat nabi bale mi ngasidi mobile phone na AI na kudum chat bagi lawong ma kan changsil lakri ba se masida aina hangjading ni ba se ai koi gi naharon si mobile phone da laichu duna victim oirabra haina sidi wakan kallu phone da laichu duna wakan kallu arang ara ta ngawgunu na koi jati gi bire ni hayeng gi banipur na koi gi ta leibani Nalibak Nazati Kalu, Nakoi, Soidan Gadi, a Wapung Kazi Pamaga, Pulumpu Tagasari, Adorasi, Youth Complete, NPF, Sibiriva, Asina, Nasi, Koi Tungu, Naharo China, Atoba in Hanjabo Wangse, Naina Viraga, NPP, Kelba, Hamata Tagasigendo, Naina View, I open the Tabiraga, I make a Mukande Kai to the whole Nul Butchery, Pulumpu Tagasat.
Thagachuri sir, Honorable MLA Moirang SC Sri Thongam Santi Singh, Tongan by Koyi, Wakal Kantabayaba, Wari Miam Galoinana, the Koyi Malim Yuing Lapomatamda, Labagasigisu, Youth Force Asi, Yingbomatamda, Malim Yuina Quaidigi, Sakti Leba, Dum la Lebaga Moya Paya Haiba, Wapamasimak Sarna Fondok Pidambasina, Nasi Youth Sing Asida Chobe Inspiration Ama, Piragani have Wafam Sitamzage. Moving on. Please join me in giving a warm round of applause as we welcome our esteemed chief guest, Sri James P.K. Sangma, Honorable National Working President and PP.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. Our most respected State President of the NPP, Sri Y. Joy Kumarji, our most honorable members of the Legislative Assembly of Manipur, Mr. T.H. Shanti, Honorable MLA of Moirang Constituency, and Mr. Rameshwar, Honorable MLA from Kakching Constituency, my colleagues in the National Committee of the National People's Party, the NPWF President, Madam Aniyu, who is also an elected representative. She's a councillor from Kohima of the NPP party, of course. Mr. Nicky Nongklau, our NPYF, the National Youth President of the NPP. The other guests of honor, Shri Russell Haisnam, the General Secretary in charge of Administration, Shri Rameshwarji, General Secretary of Organization, Shri Jayanandaji, General Secretary of the Frontal Organizations, all the other respected guests on the dais, off the dais, my brothers and my sisters from the NPP family, members of the press, and all the elders present here. First and foremost, I'd like to say that it is indeed a great honor, and I feel so proud to be here, part of this very, very important program. It has been organized by the youth. And it is so wonderful to see that the NPYF of Manipur State is taking such initiatives to organize a program which is not just a tokenism sort of a program, but a program with a lot of meaning, and a program I believe, sincerely believe, will have a huge impact on the thinking, the mindset of the youth of Manipur. It's not easy to organize any program, let alone organize it successfully. And for this, I would like to, from the bottom of my heart, thank Ms. Bidya Rani ji, who along with her team have taken so much pains to organize this program and also invite me to be part of this program as chief guest. So thank you to the entire team from the bottom of my heart for making me part of this. As I was saying, this is a very meaningful program. It's not just one portion which is meaningful. There are many, many different things that are taking place today in this program. Like, for example, the Youth Conclave that is going to ignite discussions, which is going to encourage our youth to start thinking out of the box. Then we have the launch of the documentary, which is, I think, wonderful because we're not just making a documentary documenting a part of the history of Manipur, a part of the history of the NPP, all intertwined. But it's also giving opportunity to our young filmmakers, countless number of people in the media industry, in the entertainment industry, to get an opportunity to showcase their talent. And also, I was told by Joy Kumarji that we are also going to be launching the Manipur Young Leadership Program. This is sort of a fellowship program which is being launched under the aegis and the guidance of our state president. So there are multiple things going on here during this conclave and this program, which is why today I feel 10 inches taller, really. I feel so proud to be part of a family of a political party with this kind of lively, vibrant youth which is taking things to the next level. And I would like to tell our leaders from the youth that I always will stand beside them, whatever support they require for such kind of initiatives and much more, that my services are always at their beck and call. Today, such kind of programs are very important, especially from the point of view of the youth. Why? Because today we live in an age of disruption. Today, as Mr. Shanti was mentioning about AIs and technology, AI is a major disruptor. Today we live in an age of climate change and global warming, major disruptor. We live in an age of quantum computing, which is again going to be a major disruptor. We live in an age where there is this exponential growth of unemployment, an exponential growth of global population, which is then going on to create problems like food security. This is the kind of age that we live in. For us, we are elderly people. I may look like a college student, but I am in the elderly category. And for us, our ray of hope lies in the youth of today. That's why I'm saying that this conclave is so important. In this age of disruption, it is you, the youth, which have to take up the mantle of leadership, to find solutions, to actually band together, to come together. We may have a lot of differences, but we must all come together. And that is the kind of responsibility that the youth of today will have to shoulder. I am today standing here again with a sense of pride at the kind of potential that the youth of Manipur have. Once again, I would like to refer to what Mr. Shanti was talking about, that Manipur today, I have no doubt, and I think nobody will disagree with me, that Manipur today as a state, as a people, as a culture, you stand out in every field. Be it, as I said, in the field of culture, be it in the field of sports, having brought so much of laurels and pride to not just this region, to not just me as a Northeasterner, but to the entire country. That kind of rich heritage and culture and tradition that you all come from, I'm very sure that the youth of Manipur is going to rise up to all these challenges. We must not think small now. Gone are the days when we would think about petty differences. No, we must not. Now is the time when the youth have to just let go of all differences and come together. We must not go back to petty things. We must think of the larger picture. And the larger picture is all of us as a race of human beings. That is what is most important for us. We are all part of the same human family. And that's why today I have that faith in our young leaders of Manipur. I appeal to the youth of Manipur. You must take this challenge up. Come forward. These lovely programs which are being organized by the NPP, by the NPYF, they, I think, will provide this great opportunity for you to come together to share ideas, to bring about a fellowship, to bring about a sense of brotherhood, sisterhood, and to work together. So I thank the NPYF for such a wonderful step that they have taken. Our youth president, NPYF president of Manipur State, she expressed her gratitude and her thanks to many people who have been instrumental in the production of the documentary film, production of the theme video, the theme song of the NPP. Many people she thanked, but I think she forgot to thank one person, and not me. She forgot to thank Joy Kumarji. Oh, sorry. She forgot to thank, I'm extremely sorry, herself. So she did not mention her name because obviously she cannot. But I think that this is the kind of leadership that we require. Somebody who takes initiative. So thank you to Vidya, Miss Vidya, for having taken this initiative and for the kind of leadership that she is showing. I'm here today with my son. My son is a student still. He's still studying. He's doing his undergrad. He's doing his BBA. But today I'm here with my son. Why? Not because I'm trying to groom him into politics. No. That is a decision that he will take when he realizes, okay, fine, what is the kind of way that he wants to shape his future. That's his decision to take. Not for me to decide what I want him to be. But why I'm taking him with me wherever I travel is because I want him to see every part of the Northeast, every part of India, of our great nation. And I want to bring about this sense of pride in the fact that the people of Northeast are so rich in our culture. We may be so different, but we are so alike, yet at the same time, I want him to really, really connect with our people. And my appeal to all the parents in the state of Manipur also is that our children, yes, they may decide for themselves, but let me tell you, many of our children still look up to their parents. Many, majority of them. And they need your guidance and they need your support. That's why my appeal to the parents of Manipur is that please encourage your children to go and take up political leadership. You know, a lot of things go on about how dirty politics is. You know, politics is always considered a very taboo subject. But really, I mean, we have no right to criticize how dirty politics is when we are the ones who are not taking part in how to correct this. So my appeal to the parents in the state of Manipur is that let us encourage our children to take up a role in politics. We need good leaders. We need them to come forward and take up these challenges. And this is something that all of us as parents must encourage our children. Yes, as I said, they will eventually decide for themselves, but they look up to us and they always look at what their parents want as well. So let us encourage our children. And here again, I would like to say that I'm very thankful to Vidyarani and her team, our NPYF, for organizing this very meaningful program. It's very easy for us sometimes to get lost in the political narrative. It's very easy for us to sometimes get confused in all this, confusion, this chaos all around us. But I think what's important is that we must keep our head on our shoulders so that we guide the youth in a proper manner. And this program, such a meaningful program, I must say. And I'm not just saying this because I'm trying to praise my NPYF. No, I'm saying this genuinely, that it has really touched my heart the way that they have come up with all these meaningful steps. I've seen a lot of political parties. I don't want to criticize anyone, any other political party here, but I've seen political parties who just use their youth only for one purpose, prachar, as they call it in Hindi, which is to advocate and spread and get more members into the NPP by hook or by crook. That's the word that they use, by hook or by crook. But no, NPP is not like that. We want to open the eyes. We want to open the doors. We want to open the discussion on things so that we all partake in a healthy practice of democracy. So this is something that I wanted to share, that the NPP today is not a political party which seeks temporary political gains. We are looking long term. We are looking at how do we build up the youth of Manipur. How do we build up the youth of other states in the northeast? And for that, I'm very sure with the kind of great team that we have, that we will be able to achieve all these. There's a saying by the 32nd President of the United States, Franklin Roosevelt, and I'd like to quote him. He said that, and I quote, "We cannot always build the future for our youth, but we can build our youth for the future," unquote. And we, as a party, that is the vision that we have for the NPYF. We may not be always able to build the future for our youth, but we will build our youth for the future. And this is the step that we are taking today. I profusely thank Joy Kumarji for his exemplary vision, for the kind of focus that he has, for the kind of support that he's giving to the NPYF. I'm very sure under his guidance and his leadership, the NPYF will keep touching new avenues, will explore new frontiers, and will be able to bring things that we as a political party will be able to also take a lot of motivation and inspiration from. Like today, I'm taking a lot of inspiration from this program and the way that it has been organized. So thank you so much, Joy Kumarji, from the bottom of my heart. And this is on behalf of the National Committee that I would like to thank you for your leadership in the state of Manipur. Dear friends, I'm extremely sorry. I would like to apologize that because of so many engagements that we keep having, as working president of the party, I have to keep traveling different parts of the country. So I have a flight to catch. I probably will not be able to be there for the rest of the program, but nonetheless, I am extremely grateful for this opportunity, and I'm extremely thankful to the NPYF, and I am also, I feel very blessed that today I got an opportunity to be with the who's who of Manipur, and thank you all for participating in this program. God bless each and every one of you. God bless the state of Manipur. God bless the NPP party. Jai Hind.
Thank you so much, sir. We are immensely grateful for your presence. Your captivating speech not only inspired us, but also shed light on strategies that will undoubtedly shape our paths to success. Thank you so much, sir, for your presence and sharing your time and wisdom. Thank you so much. Next, I'd like to request our honorable chief guests to launch Manipur Young Leadership Program along with the dignitaries. Ngasigi thoram asigi Chief Guest when election biriba Sir Sri James P.K. Sangmana Luching Biraga ngasigi dignitary singna Manipur Young Leadership Program launch to binaba nalukchari. So please announce the
launching spoken.
Yes, the microphone. Thank you. Excuse me. Shall I? You do this? Okay. I take great pride in launching the Manipur Young Leadership Program, which is a fellowship program. And thank you to Bidya and also to our state president. I'm extremely proud and grateful to them. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Punam Thagachari, Poromakha Chathajarak Basidi, Manipur University of Culture team Amasung, Manipur International University team na cultural social wood nabagi, Tajad Luxury Maradona, dignitary singer, Equina Makada, Silang Zeriba, Papa Sing, Silang Bidam Luchari. Youth sing akwai business sector laiba pamam lang sing asi makhada rin chok to ina maluchai Youth sing makhada bagi sedering so basta tung ting pangsabiyo. Ngasigi cultural show sige saruka moina aikoina item ahum khaktang miyamda khudol damjana bagi thorang chiri masigi manungda ihan han boina Manipur University of Culture ki team na thaugal jagoi khudol tambigani sem saduna lebisi Manipur University of Culture ki thaugal jagoi. I'd like to read out the synopsis of Thaugal Jagoi to be presented by Manipur University of Culture. Thaugal Jagoi, often referred to as the dance of dedication, is a river ritual performed integral to the mighty festival of Lai Harauba in Manipur. Rooted in ancient spiritual traditions, it serves as both an artistic expression and a sacred offering to the deities, particularly the Umang Lai or the forest deities, who are believed to safeguard the land and its people. Beyond its visual beauty, Thaugal Jagoi is a cultural testament, a preservation of identity, history, and devotion passed down through generations. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting Thaugal Jagoi, presented by Manipur University of Culture.
Hello. Hello, see? Hello. Hello. Hello, see? Hello. Hello. Hello, see? Hello.
Hello, hello. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, hello. Hãy đón khôi.
Hello. Hello.
ô lai đêm thấu ghi mà ba đi lai đêm mi ghi mà đại đêm sao ô khun giao na ba lai giao na ba ya ya lao lo se ô ya ô ya ô ya ô ya
gối ghi khu thế cất châu bờ hồ lâu biu lâu biu đê hai đang khôi ni đã cha nơ bờ hay đi đê si bu de thôi nơ hao hay đi trên đầm bờ hay đi hay đang khôi ni đã cha पुसना